create a Koyeb account, follow these steps. Visit the Koyeb website, go to Koyeb in your web browser, sign up, click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter details. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Ensure that the password meets Koyeb's security requirements. Choose a plan. Koyeb offers both free and paid plans. Select the plan that fits your needs. Free tier, ideal for small projects with limited resources. Paid plans, for more advanced use cases and higher resource allocation. Verify email. After entering your details, check your email inbox for a verification link. Click the link to verify your email address. Complete your profile. Once verified, log into your Koyeb dashboard. Complete your profile by adding information like your organization name and other relevant details. Set up services. After your account set up, you can deploy and manage services such as web apps, APIs, databases, and more through the Koyeb platform. Payment. For paid plans, you may need to enter billing information and set up payment methods to continue using Koyeb services.